Hey guys, Matt here from Handy Life Hacks again. Today is day number 13 of my 90-day Whole30 challenge, and I got on the scale this morning and I lost a whopping nothing. I lost nothing. I weighed the exact same as I did yesterday. But not to despair. Last time this happened, the next day I felt like I made up for it. So one thing that I noticed though, the last time I only lost, was it 0.4 pounds? No, 0.2 pounds. Yeah, 0.2 pounds. You know, whereas I've been losing a pound or so a day. I was pretty discouraged. But the day before that, we had those keto Whole30 buns that I that I had mentioned. We had those last night too for dinner. So I'm thinking it's not that I didn't lose any fat. It's that some of that stuff is still in there because they were pretty heavy. It was almond flour and such. So that's my theory anyway. Sorry about the cough. Just a real quick rundown of the day. They had nothing for breakfast, fasted, coffee, 2 cups of coffee actually. And then for lunch, heck, what did I have for lunch? That's right, for lunch, I fried up a burger with some fried eggs, just the burger, the eggs, some bacon, some guac, and some tomatoes. I got a few bites into that when my wife said, "Hey, that looks really good," and she ate about half of it, so I only ate half of that meal, but it was delicious. It was so good, in fact, that my daughter, who saw both of us eating it, said, you know, she was already eating her peanut butter sandwich, but she said, "Can we have that for dinner?" So we didn't exactly do that for dinner. For dinner, we had very similar. We did the, the bacon, and we did the guac, and we did the tomatoes. But then I took some chicken breasts, and this was actually just a recipe I kind of made up. And I got 3 pans, filled one with some coconut flour and some nutritional yeast, which gives a nice cheesy flavor. I just found out about this from a vegan that I work with, or I think her daughter's vegan, but anyway, not important. And then in another pan was just some scrambled eggs, and then in the other pan was some almond flour, and I threw in some cumin and some paprika, some pepper, some salt, a little bit of oregano, and then I just dipped the chicken in each pan and baked it, and it was really good. So anyway, that is the rundown of my day today. Neighbor lady walking her dog. I'm getting weird looks sitting in my car. Anyway, that's the rundown of my day today. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.